Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize the keyboard for different applications on your Logitech Wave Keys keyboard. You can customize the keyboard to perform different actions in different applications. So here you can see in the app there are global settings, so they will be applied for everything. But if you add an application, then select the application that you want to add. So I'm gonna, for example, add ChatGPT, then click on confirm, continue. Then I can customize the settings for global settings and for ChatGPT separately. I can also add another applications. So for example, for global settings, I'll leave these on default, but for ChatGPT, I'll switch the mission control to an action which will be, for example, copy, and here I'll set it to paste. So it'll be here, and now you can see this works as copy, this as paste in ChatGPT, and in global settings this is mission control and this is dictation. And if you want to learn more about adjusting the keys, customizing them, then you may want to visit our video on how to customize the keys on your Logitech Wave Keys keyboard. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.